Entering the supermarket.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the store. Can I help you?
Yes, thank you. I just need to buy a few things for dinner tonight.
That sounds nice. Do you want a basket or a cart?
I think a basket is enough. I'm not buying a lot.
All right, here you go. The vegetables are on the left, and the meat is in the back.
Great, thanks. I'll start with the vegetables.
Let me know if you need anything.
Will do. Thanks again.
Buying fruits.
Hello. I want to buy some fruit today.
We have apples, bananas, oranges, and strawberries. All are fresh.
Nice. I think I'll get some apples and strawberries.
Great choice. Apples are $3 per pound. Strawberries are $4 per box.
I'll take 1 pound of apples and 1 box of strawberries.
Here you go. Do you want to try anything else?
No, thank you. This is all I need from here.
All right. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
Buying chicken.
Hi. Do you sell chicken breasts?
Yes, we have fresh chicken breasts. Would you like plain or marinated?
Just plain. Please, how much is it per pound?
It's $5.99 per pound today.
Okay. I'll take 2 pounds, please.
Sure, that's about 4 pieces. Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfect. Thank you.
Anything else? We also have fresh fish today.
No, just the chicken today. Thanks.
Bread and milk.
Excuse me, I'm looking for some bread.
Sure. We have whole wheat, sourdough, and rye bread. Each loaf is $2.50.
I'll take a loaf of whole wheat bread, please. I also need milk.
We have whole milk and skim milk. A gallon is $2.25.
I'll take 1 gallon of whole milk.
Here you go. Do you need anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
No fresh fish today.
Excuse me, do you have any fresh fish today?
I'm sorry, we don't. We only have frozen fish right now.
Oh no, I like fresh fish better.
I understand. We will get more fresh fish tomorrow.
Okay, I'll come back tomorrow then.
Sounds good. Sorry again.
No problem. Thank you.
Looking for pasta.
Excuse me, where can I find pasta?
Pasta is in that aisle, next to the canned food.
Thank you. Do you have spaghetti?
Yes, we have many types. The regular spaghetti is on the middle shelf.
Great. I will take 1 box of spaghetti and 1 jar of sauce.
Good choice. Enjoy your cooking.
Thanks. I will. Goodbye.
Meeting a friend.
Hi, I didn't know you were coming to the store today.
Hello. I usually shop on Monday, but I was sick yesterday.
Oh no. I hope you feel better now.
Yes, I feel much better. Thank you.
That's good. So, what are you buying today?
I want to get some apples and bananas.
I want apples too. I also need tomatoes and carrots.
Great. Let's go to the fruit section first.
Okay. Do you like green or red apples?
I like red apples. They are sweet.
I like green ones. They are a little sour.
That's funny. Let's get some now.
Yes. Then we can go get the vegetables.
Sounds good. Let's go.
Asking about cheese.
Excuse me, I need some shredded cheese for pasta. What should I get?
We have mozzarella, cheddar, and other kinds. Mozzarella is good for pasta.
I'm making pasta for dinner, so I want something that melts well.
It melts nicely and has a soft, mild taste.
Okay, I will take 1 bag of mozzarella. Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you want a recipe? I know a few easy ones.
Sure, that would be great. I always like trying new recipes.
You can try making lasagna or baked pasta. Both are easy and very good.
That sounds tasty. I'll try it. Do I need any special ingredients?
Not really. You just need pasta, sauce, cheese, and maybe some vegetables or meat.
Great! I'll get everything I need. Thanks again for your help.
No problem at all. Enjoy your cooking.
Checkout and payment. Hi again. Are you ready to pay?
Yes, I am. How much is it?
Your total is $14.75.
Okay, I will pay with cash. Here you go.
Thank you. Here is your change. That's $5.25 back.
Great. Thank you very much.
Do you need a bag?
Yes, please. Just 1 bag.
All right, here's your bag. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Finished shopping.
Is that everything for you?
Yes, that's all. I got everything I need. Just a few fruits and some bread.
Great. Did you find everything okay?
Yes, everything was easy to find. The store is well organized.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you for the help.
Okay. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. Goodbye.
Bye. Come again soon.